In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add comments in Framer sites. This will allow you to communicate directly with other users on your site or app, gather feedback, and engage with your audience in a more personal way. So, let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to go to Framer. Once you've navigated to the Framer website, look for the button that says Add Plugins. This is located on the right side of the screen. This may seem like a simple step, but it's important because plugins extend the functionality of your site, enabling it to do more intricate things, like, in this case, allowing users to add comments. Next, you'll need to search for the Comments plugin. Simply click on the Add Plugins button, which will open up a search bar for plugins. In the search bar that appears, type in the Comments and press Enter to display relevant results. Look through the results and find the Comments plugin, then click on it. To install the plugin, look for the Add button, which should be clearly visible next to the Comments plugin in the search results. Click this Add button to install this plugin to your Framer site. The software will take care of the installation, so just wait a bit until you see a confirmation that the Comments plugin has been added successfully. Now that you've installed the Comments plugin, you're ready to start using it on your Framer site. Do note that this plugin can be added anywhere on your site. They can serve as a direct line of communication between you and your audience, allowing you to collect valuable feedback and encourage interaction. In this way, the Comments plugin can be a powerful tool to help you understand your audience better and provide them with more valuable content. To add a comment, simply go to where you want the comments section to appear on your site. Then, from your plugins list, select the Comments plugin and add it to that specific area. Now, you and your site visitors can start leaving comments. And there you have it. You have now added the capability for comments on your Framer site. Moving forward, try to make the best use of this function. Respond to comments, reach out to your audience, and keep them engaged. Remember, the more feedback you get, the better you can refine your content to meet your audience's needs and preferences. You're now ready to use and manage comments in Framer sites, making your audience engagements much more effective and personal. Happy commenting!